and I would say that's the troubling thing for most drivers is inconsistency with the visibility along I-80. Let me show you what it's like out our front windshield right now, as visibility is decently low in this patch, but we were back as we turned back from Donner Summit about a half mile ago, and we saw vehicles passing us and slamming on their brakes, flipping their hazards on because you really just couldn't see up that way. And a lot of that is because, and let me check this side rear view camera here, as you can see the mounds of snow that are piled up along the sides of the road. Caltrans has done a really good job with their plows out here moving that snow, but as that snow piles higher, that's what's causing some issues with visibility for a lot of drivers. Is the high wind gust that we're seeing sporadically along I-80 here is blowing the snow that's coming down from the sky, as well as that snow that you see piling up right over the roadways, causing for low visibility in some patches along I-80 here. Also, there's some dense fog in the area, which I wasn't necessarily expecting as we made our way up I-80 up the mountainside here and on our way back down. So you almost have a double impact effect of the visibility being low here. And again, it's been very inconsistent. So drivers have to take that in mind when they are making their way either up or down the roadside here. And you guys have said it numerous times over on I-50 as well, as that these chain checks are in effect, as we have seen a couple of those smaller sedans that have spun out in the area before that chain control is in effect, because they're just not taking the proper precautions. They don't have the equipment to properly get up the roadways here.